Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical potting soil, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from potting soil, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best potting soil from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Miracle-Gro Potting Soil for Plant Food. Introducing the incredible Miracle-Gro Potting Soil for Plant Food. This premium potting soil comes in a convenient 2-pack, offering 2 cubic feet of nutrient-rich soil that promises to help your plants thrive. With its unique formula, this potting soil can grow plants twice as big compared to unfed plants, ensuring you enjoy lush foliage and vibrant blooms. It feeds your plants for up to 6 months, so you can spend less time worrying about fertilizers and more time enjoying your beautiful garden. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor container plants, Miracle-Gro's potting soil provides the essential nutrients your plants need to flourish. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, this soil is a must-have in your gardening toolkit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and product reviews. Number 2. BRUT Worm Farms Potting Soil for Plant Food. Introducing the BRUT Worm Farms Potting Soil for Plant Food. This premium organic potting soil is designed to supercharge your garden with the incredible power of worm castings. Made in-house at BRUT Worm Farms, this soil is crafted from certified organic ingredients, ensuring unparalleled purity and nutrition for your plants. Whether you're tending to shrubs, houseplants, or vegetables, this mineral-rich blend promotes vibrant health and bountiful yields. You'll witness the remarkable difference in your plants' vitality as they thrive in this nutrient-dense environment. As a family-owned business, BRUT Worm Farms takes pride in nurturing every batch like their own, providing you with the finest organic castings. Plus, our potting soil is OMRI and STA certified, affirming its true organic excellence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us as we explore the magic of organic gardening. Number 3. Leaves and Soil Plant Soil for Plant Food. Introducing the Leaves and Soil Plant Soil for Plant Food, your go-to solution for nurturing indoor herbs. This pre-mixed, ready-to-use soil blend is specially formulated to support the growth of a variety of herbs including basil, thyme, rosemary, oregano, mint, parsley, and sage. With a volume of 2.2 quarts, this premium all-purpose soil maximizes fertilizer absorption and provides excellent aeration for healthy root development. Our unique blend promotes optimum drainage, holding just the right amount of moisture while preventing overwatering. Plus, it comes in a sturdy, resealable bag, offering great value for your money. Made in the USA, we stand by the quality of our soil. If you're not satisfied, we'll arrange a refund or replacement. And don't forget to check out the Leaves and Soil app for exclusive bonsai courses and tips. Like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Number 4. Wonder Soil Organic Potting Soil for Plant Food. Introducing the Wonder Soil Organic Potting Soil, a game-changer for both indoor and outdoor gardening. This premium potting soil mix is unique with its dry compressed coco coir, enriched with nutrient-rich amendments like worm castings, mycorrhizae, and kelp. With Wonder Soil, you can expect faster growth and stronger roots for your plants, all while being peat-free and safe for your family and pets. One of the best things about this product is its incredible expansion. Just add water, and your 3-pound bag transforms into a whopping 12 quarts of soil. It's pre-mixed and ready to use, making transplanting and seed planting a breeze. Plus, the excellent water retention ensures your plants get just the right amount of moisture while saving you up to 50% on water and fertilizer. The heavy-duty, resealable bag keeps your soil dry and fresh for future use. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Number 5. Organic Plant Magic Potting Soil for Plant Food. Introducing the Organic Plant Magic Potting Soil, your new secret weapon for thriving plants. This all-purpose compressed potting soil expands up to 4 times its size, making a generous 3 gallons of nutrient-rich soil from just 2 pounds.
Our scientifically
It's lightweight,
proven formula
compact,
is
and
alive
comes
with
in a
beneficial
resealable bag for easy
microorganisms,
storage.
water up to 3 times
Packed
longer.
with essential nutrients
don't
and over 55 trace minerals, this concentrated super soil ensures your plants flourish like never before. It's fast-acting and designed to stay moist 3 times longer, delivering water, air, and nutrients directly to the roots when they need it most. Made from 100% natural ingredients like ground coconut coir, worm castings, and beneficial growbiotics, this soil is perfect for all your gardening needs, whether for seeds, transplants, or indoor houseplants. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.